Hello, everyone! What if I told you that there are actual magic words that can make any story you tell sound absolutely amazing? Well, today, we're going to discover exactly what they are.
First, let me ask you something. When you're telling a story about your best friend, do you ever feel like you're saying their name again and again and again? It kind of starts to sound a little silly, right?
Let's look at an example so you know what I mean. Let me tell you about a boy named Ray. So, here's our first sentence. Ray is a kind boy.
Okay, and it continues. Ray loves to play basketball. Ray speaks politely to everyone. Are you hearing what I'm hearing? That's a lot of Ray.
Yeah, it sounds a little strange, doesn't it? Saying Ray, Ray, Ray all the time makes the whole thing sound a bit clunky. There has to be a better way to tell Ray's story.
And there is. The solution is a magic word. Its official name is a pronoun. A pronoun is this awesome little word we can use instead of a name, and it makes our sentences sound just so much smoother.
Just look at this difference. Instead of saying Ray again, we just use the magic word he. Ray is a kind boy. He loves to play basketball. Doesn't that sound so much better? It's amazing what one little word can do.
So, these pronouns, these magic words, actually come in a couple of different types. Let's start with the first group, which I like to call the doer words. Think of them like the heroes or the stars of the sentence.
Doer words, or as they're officially called, subject pronouns, are the words for the person or thing that is actually doing something. All you have to ask is, who is doing the action?
And here is our all-star team of doer words. We've got I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These are the words that can jump right into a sentence and take the place of a name.
Let's see one in action. In the sentence, Ria waters the plant. Who is doing the watering? Well, it's Ria, so we can just swap in our magic word, she. She is the doer. See? So simple.
Okay, so if we have words for the doers who are doing the action, it totally makes sense that we'd have words for the ones who get the action, right? Let's call these our receiver words.
So a receiver word, or an object pronoun, is the word we use for the person or thing that the action is happening to. They're on the receiving end of whatever the doer is doing.
And here they are, our team of receiver words. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. These guys are perfect for talking about who gets the action. All right, check out this sentence. Everyone likes my brother. Now, who is receiving all that liking? My brother is. So instead of saying my brother again, we can just use our new word, everyone likes him. Perfect.
All right, you've met the doers and the receivers. I think you are totally ready to practice this. How about a quick game to test out your new magic word skills? Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, first question. If we say, my cat has a very long tail, and we want to talk about the cat again, which magic word should we use? Have a think. Did you get it? The answer is it. That's right. We use it when we're talking about an animal or a thing. You're doing an awesome job. Okay, let's try one more. Sachin is a great player. I want to meet... What goes in the blank? Which magic word fits there? The answer is him. I want to meet him because Sachin is receiving the action of being met. You're a natural at this. Fantastic work. So we've had some fun playing our game, but let's talk for a second about why this is so important. You know, why do these magic words, these pronouns, really matter? Well, it's actually pretty simple. They just make everything we say and write sound so much better. Our sentences are smoother, our stories are clearer, and we don't have to sound like a broken record repeating names. Remember our friend Ray at the beginning? Using he made his story so much nicer to listen to.
I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. Using these pronouns makes our sentences flow like a happy river, just smoothly and beautifully. It's not just about grammar rules, it's about making our language sound wonderful.
So now, it's your turn. Think about all the incredible stories you can tell about your friends, your family, your pets. What story will you tell using your new magic words? Thanks so much for learning with me today, and have fun.